Hi, welcome back. My name is Rachel, and today we are going to make a version of an old fashioned. It's called Fire and Ice. The old fashioned is actually created as one of the first cocktails, so you can have many variations. Today we're going to work on something that is a little bit more for fall and winter. It's really great to make for your guests at home. First thing we're going to need is a glass and our clear ice cube. Our clear ice cube is crystal clear. You can see right through it. Really proud of these ice cubes. It's something that you can easily make at home with your own molds. Now for the ingredients. First ingredient is going to be our Maker's Mark whiskey. You can really use any whiskey that you have at your house. Today we're just using Maker's Mark. Pour that right over that ice cube. Now we're going to use a Pear Liqueur. Again, adds a nice little fall component to this old-fashioned cocktail. For our sweet component, we're actually going to use a toasted almond syrup. And now for the fire component of the Fire and Ice, we have Hellfire bitters. We're going to do 8 drops directly into the glass. And now we're going to stir. Stirring the cocktail actually helps release some of those beautiful whiskey notes. For our garnish, we're going to use a traditional orange peel. You can use any garnish that you prefer. And there you have it, Fire and Ice. Enjoy. For more recipes and techniques, go ahead and like and subscribe below. Cheers!